before we proceed, I invite everyone to arrange your chairs and arrange your chairs. Good. Okay, so I invite everyone to please stand up and Mr. Lupilia, please lead us in opening prayer.
Matapos na.
Our society. So any who have idea that what is science, technology, and society influence our society? Anyone? So any colleagues na board? Can you give me example how science, technology, and society influence? How science, technology influence our society? Society makes our life easier kasi kung mapapansin nyo, mas napapadali na yung pamumuhay ng tao sa science and technology kasi kadalasan na more technology na yung ginagamit ng mga kabataan lalo na sa mga tao yung more technology na kaya mas napapadali yung mga natatrabaho. So anyone, sino po may idea how science and technology influence our society? So may I go Mrs. Soleya? Can you give me example how science and technology influence our society? Yes, that's right. So science, technology, it makes life easier. It increases productivity, it changes the way we live and work. So yung science, technology, binabago niya yung ating pamumuhay at yung ating pagkatrabaho. So before we proceed for our discussion, let me group you into two groups. This will be group 1 and this will be the group 2. So this is the instructions. So listen. So research and create a timeline of technological advancement that we have significantly impact the society. So, mag-research kayo ng mag-research kayo and create a timeline of technological advancement. Mag-research kayo ng technological advancement. And after that, pag may nalaman ako ng research, mag-create kayo ng timeline. And after that, each group will present of their timeline of your timeline. So that's it. Make lang kayo ng timeline about advancement of science. And don't forget to include the information. 10 minutes. And after that, each group, choose one for your classmate who will present your works in the front of our
Supit mo. Sini. Isip mo. Pasabay ka.
even for the beginning of our flakes of stone used as knives and thunder and shape used as hammer and with some for a cable gun and Kenya. So, ito na pala ko. Di pa, wala pa mga next one is what? When you want to first use part is still not related, but let the one like the first two, it was totally built by a source of safety. Evident of work material can be found in games described at least even 1.5 meters ago. Ano lang pala, di ba wala pang guys na may marami na tayong guys na so may ikaw dati yung ginagamit nila is parang is lang mga kasi may nakaway lang
development ng mga mga tao dati sinabi niyo na allow meters ago and yung isang luluto is yung mga dati is ano lang yung ginagamit kahoy and ngayon na mga gas na tao. So let's about some future predictions. So after 10 years, sa tingin nyo, ano na kayo yung technology natin? Anyway, so magkaroon tayo ng predictions kung after 10 years or 20 years, ano na kayo yung technology natin? May improve yung pamumuhay natin. Diba? So, mas napapadali. So, that's all and let's proceed for it's just a way to proceed to our discussion to tackle about science, technology, and society para mas maunawaan natin ang
Pwede ako sa inyo.
That apply to artificial devices, such as those employing games or motors that offer agrobiological macromolecules such as molecular and this is interactions between science and technology. So engineers focus on using science to develop products. Without technology, some science experiments would not be possible. So without science, technology will not the very source. The scientists are shaped by the human technology. So the role of science and technology is under the way people can connect, communicate, and transact from different economic development. So these drivers the development was political and scientific revolution underpinning economic advances, improvements in health system, education, and infrastructure. So the technologies revolution at the big evolution of energy from traditional sectors is microprocessors, telecommunication, biotechnology, and nanotechnology. So as the fact that better the lives of poor people in developing countries. So interventions for fertility, enhancement, proton, cancer therapy, and contributing advances.
Ano yun pa? Mga third.
And yung sa may the scientific method na 5 is
Sa last.
meron siyang make an observation. So, sa make an observation, pwede kang mag-ask ng question or make a question. So, sa make a question is, it is a sentence or converted to question by normally using words such as do, does, don't, and that end. Other words that are used in question sentences then who, what, where, when, why, then, and who. So typically, do not and don't are used plural nouns and pronouns. And the ask question is good question for someone or the best answer of someone. Sino po pwedeng magbigay ng example? Kailangan mo mga lang nag-work, start from other example.
Washing machine.
Yes, example. Other example.
Washing machine.
Since you already know about the science, technology, and societal growth, how important is science to society?
Kapag ka. Madali na lang.
How science kaya? How science is important to society? What makes technology essential to humanity? What is technology essential to Maraming salamat. And that's all.
So now let's have a third speech. Please get your notebook. So number 1. This involves a pursuit of knowledge covering general truths for the operation of the fundamental laws. Tapos na po. Number 2. Ay, number 2 and 3. Technology is from the word means. Ay, number 2 and 3. Technology is from the Greek word that means. Kung ano daw ang meaning ng technology. Number 4 and 5, give me an example of technology. 4 and 5, give me an example, give me 2 examples of technology. Tapos na po.
Ayan.
So, in exchange your notebook na po. Tapos na po. So, mag-check na po kita. Number 1 is science. Science. Number 2 and 3, art, craft, subject, or interest. That's 4 and 5. Basta yung example of technology.
Like that,
So, we are assigning